Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi 13T to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on the same options on both smartphones to set it up. I will start with an Android. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. Now on the second one. I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and choose History section at the bottom of both smartphones. This way you can get rid of personalization pop-up. In it, just tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. And then to close it, choose Close this window at the bottom. Finally, click on Receive at the bottom of an Android located next to History. Then Send at the bottom left corner. Finally, on Xiaomi, use all of those categories available at the top and select all of your files to transfer. In some of those categories, you need to click on Allow one more time. After locating and selecting all of your data, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key question and type in all of those numbers in the same order. When you're done, just hit Receive and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!